All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be in your math journal on page 234. This is just a little bit of a review today, okay? We're going to work on ruler fractions, all right? Number 1 says, mark each of these links on the ruler shown below. Write the letter above your mark. Point A has been done for you. All right, so let's look at this. Point A is 2 1/16 of an inch. So they wrote the letter A and they drew an arrow. So you're going to do the same thing with B, C, D, and E. You'll write the letter at the top and you'll draw an arrow exactly where it goes. So let's do a quick review for this. Okay, we know halfway in between is the largest mark. Okay, the next mark would be fourths. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and then your next inch. Okay, those next lines that are a little bit smaller are going to be eighths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 in 1 inch. Okay, and then these teeny tiny marks right here are going to be 16ths. So if you count all of these marks here, there are going to be 16 of them in 1 inch. So you need to find 4 3/8 inches, 3 3/4 inches, 1 7/16 inches, and 2 4/8 inches. And you're going to mark the letter, and you're going to draw an arrow exactly where it goes. Okay? All right, number 2, it says measure the following line segments to the nearest 1/16 of an inch. So you're going to need to use a ruler. If you have a protractor, which you should have picked up from school, everybody should have one, there's a ruler on the bottom of it. You can use that, okay? Your 16th of an inch are going to be all these little bitty marks right here. Okay, like we just talked about. So you're going to measure line A, and look, they already have inches written for you. Line B, and write how long it is. Line C, you're going to measure it and write how long it is, and then line D and write how long it is. Okay, on 3 and 4, you're going to draw me a line segment. Okay, number 3 is going to be 4 3/16 inches long. Number 4 is going to be 3 1/2 inches long. All right, and then on number 5, you're going to complete these ruler puzzles. Okay, these are just like equivalent fractions. Okay, so you've got 1/4 inch equals x over 8 inches equals y over 16 inches. So you would say 4 times 2 is 8. So 1 times 2 is 2. So x would equal 2. Okay, 8 times 2 is 16. And here's 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So y equals 4. So you need to figure that out. You can write your multiplication here or your division here to help you. Remember, excuse me, when you have a mixed number like this, you're going to keep your whole number. The only thing that is changing is your fraction that is with it. So your whole number is still going to stay the same. Notice your 3 is still there the whole time. Okay, so the only thing that they're changing is the fraction. All right, so those are your directions for your math journal, page 234 for tomorrow.